Hi, we are making quick banana pudding. So I got that banana pudding in here. It's going to be instant when you don't have a lot of time, but we're going to make it fast way. Quick banana pudding. So letting this stir the pudding right here. So now we're going to go to putting the fixing up the bananas and the cookies. Okay, now that the pudding is in the blender, then you put all your cookies into the pan. This is for quick fixes when you're just want to make something for your family. So we're making banana pudding. Now I'm gonna cut up the bananas. So I got the bananas out, and like I said, we got the vanilla wafer, and so I'm gonna cut up the bananas and I'm gonna put it in here. And then I'm gonna get the vanilla pudding. This is for quick when you just got your family and you just want to cook them some dessert, but you don't want to take a whole long time. Something quick and something that they will love, the banana pudding. So you gotta cut the bananas, just like in little slices. Cut them thinner if you like. You know, or you just cut them, the other way you're holding the banana. But we're gonna make the slices of the banana, and we're gonna put them over the cookies. This is like you're cooking at home. You just want to do something fast and hurry and get your family something sweet to eat because you got to go to work in the morning, but yet they want some dessert. So make them a quick banana pudding. So now, if you're going to do it for like you doing it like for church or something, and someplace you're going to have a lot of people, you might want to do the long way and do the baking, the pudding, and arranging it in a certain type of way to look really. But sometimes the family, when time you get through, they gonna tear this stuff up, and it ain't gonna last 5 minutes. So you cut up your bananas, okay, and you arrange your bananas on the cookies. Cause this stuff is gonna be gone time you get through cooking it. Or should I say fixing it? Now that you got the bananas in, this is for quick fixes. Cause this is gonna be gone in 5 minutes. So I just added a few more cookies. Now I am going to go over here and get the pudding to put on top of it. Quick fixes, they're waiting for it. That's why I'm saying it's going to be gone in 5 minutes. But they are waiting to eat this. Now we're just going to pour on the pudding. So it's going to be finished in a minute. This is like for quick, that you are busy and you want a quick meal, a quick dessert, because the family is waiting to eat this. So this is something quick that everybody can do. Oh, and there you go. This is quick banana pudding. I got the pudding, and this is banana flavored pudding on here. So then got bananas in it, got your thing, got all your cookies, and now they're ready to eat. So quick dessert, quick banana pudding.